Hello, how are you guys doing? What are you doing with your tongue? We're headed to go off-roading, but first we must stop for fuel. So we're at Old Muddy Starbucks to get something to drink. Do you know what you're having?
Vanilla bean cream frappuccino.
Yummy! I might try something different. I usually get the vanilla bean. And sometimes I get the caramel macchiato.
What can I get for you?
Could I get a venti vanilla bean cream?
All right. Anything else for you?
Just a second.
I'll get the iced caramel macchiato.
What size?
Like small.
Which is what's grande?
Small, baby.
Is it called tall?
Yeah.
Okay. Say one more time what it is.
Iced caramel macchiato.
Okay, can I have a tall iced caramel macchiato?
Tell her I have my
And
own
a tall
cup.
iced caramel macchiato.
Yeah,
Anything else for you today?
We have our own cup for that one. Okay. Hey, y'all know what's it called?
Exactly.
It's called TKM. Drake and what's that? I guess that guy's name is TKM. I don't know what his name is. It's from the Drake CD, More Life. That's what is that? More Life is that? Never mind. What's that?
See, I know songs. I just don't really know people. I mean, like, I know people, but I might not always know their name.
Well, you got a my case for that.
Like, you gotta
the other day.
What? No, you gotta like show me pictures. I'll be like, oh yeah, I know that guy. I know that girl. Don't ask me their name, but I know them.
That's Drake and KTM. Well, that's maybe the name
Did you
of the
say
song is.
TKM?
No, I don't remember which one it is. I'm dyslexic anyway. I'm trying to figure out if that's the name of the song or that's the name of the rapper. It's a British rapper rapping with
Oh
Drake.
yeah. I remember that.
Yeah.
We listened to it.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are we headed?
We are headed to go off-roading right now. Can you see me?
Obviously. Where?
North Palm County, and then we'll be going up to Cartersville and eating dinner up there.
So we're in like what is this? East Georgia?
No. This is not East Georgia. This is West Georgia. We're like 30 miles from Alabama. How could it possibly be East Georgia?
I'm like, okay, fine. I'll admit it. I kind of suck at directions.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Just a tad. Anyway. Okay, so we're in West Georgia, and we're off-roading in West Georgia.
We're in Northwest Georgia.
Northwest Georgia.
We're slightly northwest of Atlanta.
Cool.
And we'll be going farther north.
So the children are sleeping. Oh my gosh. They're like little angels right now. Asleep.
It's a beautiful spot.
They were so tired. They didn't take a nap or anything. We just kind of like got a late start to everything today.
That's not accurate.
Well,
Some of us.
the official start, whatever.
Some of us got a late start.
Whatever.
Tell the official story.
The official story is someone had to work today on the weekend, so it's the weekend. I'm anticipating just like sleeping in and everything, but someone had to work. So you went off to work, and while he was at work, I went to the store. Or two.
I was like, are you home? Is breakfast ready? See, that tells you how early I left the house.
How early? Okay. You left the house like 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he didn't get back until like 10, 11.
It was like 11.
Yeah, like 10, 11. But anyway, so we did not eat breakfast until like 11:30, 12. It's more like brunch, early lunch.
Yeah.
So that's what happened. And the girls usually take their nap around like 12. So they were totally off kilter. They're asleep now and enjoying this little drive. It's gorgeous. It looks like it's going to rain. He's enjoying his fuel. That was so random. You're like, boom. Anyway, that's my favorite drink. Like,
No, it's my favorite
it
drink.
is my favorite
You
drink.
just happen to have the same favorite as me.
Whatever. You just happen to mimic me.
How did I mimic you? I had it before I ever knew you.
And I had it before I even knew you.
Yes, but if it was really your favorite, you would have ordered it, but you didn't, so.
It's called Variety is a Spice of Life.
Oh, speechless. Nope.
Joking.
It's called not spitting out coffee.
Anyway, yeah, that's my favorite. The vanilla bean, but he has it. I have the iced caramel macchiato. It's really good, keeping me awake, especially that first sip. Because like all the sugar was at the bottom, so I drank it. I'm like, whoa, what is this?
Coffee.
Straight coffee.
It actually tastes like coffee.
Anyway, we're on our way to go off-roading. I'm excited. And then we're gonna head out to this really nice place in Cartersville. It's called Sweet Market. Yeah. It's called Sweet Market, and they have the best black bean burgers ever. And that's a bold statement, but the best.
Fries.
My sweet potato fries are good. You just never had them.
Okay.
But sorry. Yeah, Sweet Market. The absolute best black bean burgers ever. And the mango salsa that they have, oh my god, is so good. I was so happy. We went there on our second date.
No.
Technically first date.
No.
Yeah. Because that was after we went.
Second date was first date.
Actually,
was,
yeah. That was like that was later down the road.
Third date or
third.
Fourth date.
Third.
Because the first, we went to Sweet Tomatoes.
We went kayaking, and then we went on our second date, or what I would say is kind of like the first official date. We went kayaking, and then we stopped for burgers.
Oh, you mean barbecue?
We went kayaking, and then we stopped for burgers.
I always like to go out on these roads and drive around, clear my head. I feel closer to nature. Makes me feel more like a man.
Makes you feel more like a man.
Yeah.
Do not drive off, okay? Look at that. Look at you.
I wasn't thinking of it until you said it. That would be hilarious leaving out here. What's up, guys? So we made it to Cartersville after a little excursion in the truck. It was kind of fun. Where I drove used to be dirt roads, but apparently the county's come in and graveled everything, so it was less of an off-road experience than I was expecting, but that's okay. It was still fun. I like being in nature. Got the truck a little dirty. You can see the wheels are very dusty, leaving huge clouds of white smoke from the gravel. Now we're in Cartersville, about to get ready to go to Sweet Market and eat some black bean burgers and enjoy some sweet potato fries, hopefully.
So we've got
It
our
looks
bun.
like pumpernickel.
Yeah, a little bit. And then we've got lettuce. Is there mayo or a special kind of sauce?
This is a special house sauce they make.
Yeah, this is so delicious.
I don't know what she asked us if we wanted it. It's pretty good.
What's it called again?
I don't remember.
It's so delicious. I can even
There is some mayonnaise on the bun.
Yeah, this is so good. All right, so the bread, the mayo, the lettuce, and then we have this yummy mango salsa, the black bean burger, and sweet potato fries. What do you see?
Dad, there's monkey
Oh, you see the monkey in the tree?
and the butterfly.
Do you like your burger?
And the butterfly. I didn't eat it
You haven't
yet.
eaten it yet? Oh, someone's getting revved up. All right, take a bite. Tell me what you think. Take a bite. Take a bite.
Whoa, it's
Massive, right?
super big.
Uh-huh. try your burger, Maddie? Did you try your burger? No, you just had the fries. Fries are delicious. Okay, I'm about to dig in. Oh yeah, and they have like homemade cucumbers. I mean homemade cucumbers. Homemade pickles.
Get your fries.
Mmm.
You like it?
I can take a big bite.
So what do you think?
The best. Then of course you have to finish it up. Top it off with a bite of this. Okay, we just left, and of course we have some food that's left over because the burgers are humongous, but they are so delicious and so filling. Did you like the food, guys?
Yeah, it's good. Always good. Next one. And the next one. Grab the next one. Grab the next one. Grab the next one. I got you. Grab the next one, Madison.
I got it.
Come on, one more. You did it! Yay!
Okay, so that was the weirdest, most fun experience that I've had in a very long time. We get to the playground and there's this birthday party that's taking place, and I was really impressed by a lot of the kids that were there. They were like they had a lot of manners. They spoke very forthrightly, clearly, succinctly. And anyway, the father of the little girl, it was her birthday, it was his daughter's birthday, he kept calling us over to participate, and so we ended up being a part of the birthday party. And the wife, the mom of the little girl, invited the girls to participate in each game. They gave us cake. It was an interesting cake, but it was good.
I liked it.
They gave us cake and like lots of prizes for the girls. It was really great.
We hit the piñata.
You did a great job hitting the piñata.
Everyone got the candy, and I did too. And I got a what is it called again?
Harmonica.
I got a
Harmonica.
harmonica.
Yeah. Did you enjoy the party, Maddie?
Yeah. And we got lots of prizes. We got necklaces, more necklaces, and I got chapstick that was in a drink bottle, and
They got a lot of stuff. Here's like
So
some crayons, this goodie bag that's filled, like it's packed with lots of goodies, a lot of candy, but lots of goodies for the kids. So it was pretty cool.
when we got there, like you said, the dad, Nate, kept on calling us over. Do the girls want to hit the piñata? Do the girls want to whatever? Anyway, we got to talking, and we have a lot of things in common. He's pretty cool.
I did too.
He's a really cool guy, and it was refreshing to see people that are very open and inviting.
The candy.
it was very refreshing to see people that are very open and inviting to anybody that, you know, may be around them. And the kids were all, would you like some candy? You know, offering the girls candy and whatnot from, I guess, the party and stuff. It was really fun. Just perfect strangers, you know.
Perfect strangers turned.
You can meet friends anywhere. So we exchanged numbers and hopefully we'll get to hang out sometime.
Yeah. Tons of, man, they got a ton of candy.
Yeah.
One bag. Bag number 2. And a cup with candy for the piñata. So,
Thanks for watching our vlog. Please subscribe.
Now they are to say congratulations.